Hello, my name is Nicole, and I was referred to Dr. Motwani from family and because I had a really bad astigmatism. So my vision began declining when I was a child. For years, I would wear eyeglasses, but I'd always refuse to wear them outside of school or outside of reading, so I would just deal with the bad vision. And then a couple years ago, I started to wear contact lenses, but those were the worst things I ever did because they would scratch my eye and they were just no good for me. So I had to do something about it to change my vision for good. And as soon as I got the recommendation, I made the phone call and got the nearest appointment. When I arrived here, the friendliest staff, the best doctor, I felt super comfortable. I did a couple of scans and then talked it over with my parents, and we all liked him and decided this was the best fit for me for LASIK eye surgery. And I did my pre-op the same day. And then within a week, I actually got it done. And it was the best decision I've ever made. So immediately after the surgery, I could see better, I could see way more clear, and then within a couple of days when my eyes adjusted, I can drive, I can read, I can work on the computer, everything so clear without anything, without any glasses, any contacts, any assistance. It is the best decision I've ever made. I would recommend Dr. Motwani to everyone. All my family, all my friends who just want to change their lives, to change their visions for good. It is the best decision ever.